Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. Last but not least, the CEO of Shiba Inu has warned you before. Updates about Shiba history. The Shiba Inu token, which is based on the Ethereum blockchain and is the second most valuable dog-themed meme coin in the world, has been consolidating in the range of $0.000011 to $0.00001150 for the past several days. The 50-day moving average of shib is still hovering at $0.00001115, which acts as a ceiling for further price increases, while the 21, 100 and 200 DMAs all maintain their grip on the market. You were previously warned, and in this video we will discuss Shiba Inu's CEO's final warning, shib news. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, spread the word, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. A number of people believe that shib is going to explode in price shortly, even if its trading volume has been heading upwards as of late. Prior to the day's conclusion, shib trade volumes across exchanges reached an astounding $420 million, according to statistics collected from CoinGecko. It follows Tuesday's trading volumes, which hit a new record not seen since mid-March, when they were close to $600 million. Trading volumes for shib have been steadily increasing since the beginning of the year, accompanied by robust price performance. Shiba Inu numbers are growing roughly 40% year over year. Even though shib has been doing well since the beginning of the year, it is still about 30% lower than its previous year-end highs in the $0.000016 range. Nonetheless, shib had surpassed the downward trend from this peak at the close of last month. Retesting these earlier yearly highs is possible if it can overcome the cloud of major moving averages that are still acting as a drag and rise over the support-turned-resistance in the mid-$0.000011. It should be a boon for Twitter that their logo is a Shiba Inu. Upcoming improvements to the Shiba Inu ecology may also inspire hope. Real work on everything related to shib, the metaverse, will be visible in the upcoming weeks. Lucy, a prominent Shiba Inu advocate, tweeted Tuesday that Marcy Jastro, leader of the Shiba Inu metaverse development team, had recently sent a post on the Shiba Inu community's Discord channel. Shibarium, the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution developed by Shiba Inu, aims to reduce transaction costs and lay the groundwork for a Web3 ecosystem tailored to Shiba Inus that can take advantage of the consensus layer's inherent security. The beta version of Shibarium was recently released. Despite the significant decline in shib's value from its earlier yearly highs in the $0.000016 region, many shib holders seem to be clinging onto their tokens and refusing to sell. According to data published by WhaleStats, the top 100 Shiba Inu whales have been conducting almost no transactions each day since mid-February. This is based on on-chain data. With prior counts in the hundreds, it appears that the whale population is still very strongly sentimental. I don't see shib being able to achieve 10 times its current levels very soon. If Shiba Inu's stock price increased sevenfold, its market valuation would skyrocket to over $47 billion, and shib reached new heights in the upper $0.00088 range, setting new records. When shib's gains are multiplied by 10, the company's market cap increases to more than $65 billion, and it loses zero. The cryptocurrency could potentially experience a tenfold increase in value in the coming years if the U.S. Federal Reserve plans to implement a large-scale rate-cutting program later this year in order to prevent a U.S. bank crisis-induced recession, and if the Shiba Inu team keeps adding new features and functionality to the Web3 project's ecosystem. As the Shiba Inu price remains stuck below the important one-day chart resistance level of $0.00001152 USD, a huge ship is buying the drop. According to WhaleStats, a cryptocurrency tracking service, the mysterious grand owner of the Shiba Inu known as Blue Whale 0073 has intensified his purchasing activity over the past 3 days. Blue Whale 0073 made a single acquisition yesterday of 148.78 billion ships, which is equivalent to around $1.65 million. According to Whale Stats, the 254th biggest Ethereum whale spent approximately $2.58 million, or 229.96 billion shib, not long ago on April 4. In the past 72 hours, the whale has purchased an astounding 378.74 billion shib, or $4.23 million, worth of Shiba Inus. However, despite the mysterious shib investors' buying pressure, shib has failed to rise in response to market trends. The Ethereum whales, nevertheless, are still bullish on the shib price. According to Whale Stats' most recent update at the end of March, shib is still the second most popular investment among ETH whales, behind stable coins. The shib army has been requesting something from Shiba Inu creator Ryoshi since the beginning, when shib 0.01. Satoshi inherited this knowledge, and the two visionaries were both aware that the moment would come to provide exponential shipfires with Shibarium. Until Shibarium's vision comes to life, many will never understand it. However, Koyo token has laid the groundwork and given a taste of what's to come. However, the 6.1 billion SHIB tokens burned by Koyo token in March alone are not related to the 2% tax SHIB burn automated by the Koyan smart contract. Rather, they are related to what Koyo founder Kentaro revealed on Medium. A significant burn is predicted in the next days. As a result, you should anticipate shib burns in the millions with continuous burns, as well as a volume of billions of dollars in prizes in the millions. A lot of people have wondered how it's even feasible. So to put it in perspective, with the current shib market valuation of $6,480,338,680 and a circulation supply of $589 trillion, it would take the burning of $588 trillion shib tokens, 99.99% of the total supply, to attain a target shib price of 1 cent. With a current market cap of $6,452 million and a shib price of $0.00001095, there are $6,449, 38,000 worth of shib to burn, leaving a circulating supply of $589 trillion, and the result would be 1 cent. To begin, reaching such an enormous goal would necessitate the realization of the Ryoshi to Satoshi vision of Shibarium, which would go much beyond the capabilities of the Koyo token trading and financial service platform. Let us shift our attention to the promising future of Koyo token. With any luck, the platform will make billions of dollars. They might produce nearly $20 million in Koyo monthly revenue if they factor in ordinary transaction costs in addition to borrowing fees on perpetual trading platforms, all based on a monthly trading volume of $1 billion. A reasonable estimate puts the monthly SHIB loss at $10 million. In the next 12 months, this would amount to $120 million burned, or almost 10,989 billion shib tokens burned annually. The next thing to think about is whether Shibarium will spend 70% of its transaction fee money. Given the volume of transactions occurring on the Koyo trading and financial service platform, as well as the fact that Kentaro has already stated in his Medium, we are pleased to announce that Koyo will use Shiba Swap as the sole swap for all transactions conducted on the Koyo trading platform and financial services protocol. This will help us add value and volume to Shiba Swap Shibarium, which will ultimately benefit the Shiba ecosystem. There will be higher volume and more SHIB burning as a result of all swaps on the Koyo platform having an API to Shiba Swap. You should know that the Koyo trading platform is planning to incorporate other Shibarium businesses. These projects will adhere to Satoshi standards and contribute to the SHIB ecosystem through burning and the SHIB Community DAO Foundation. Additionally, these projects